I'm Piaget Jenkins. So after installing RES Workspace Manager and connecting to the data store, the next thing you will want to do is to configure domain enumeration. This allows Workspace Manager to retrieve all available user and group information from Active Directory or Novell Directory services. So for our video today, we will demonstrate with Active Directory. If you would like more information on Novell, please feel free to visit our help guide, and there you can find configuration information as well as guidelines. So to begin, you want to make sure to have your Workspace Manager console open, and we navigate to Context and Directory Services. Now as you can see, there's already an entry here, and that's because Workspace Manager will create a user in which you're logged in as when the software is installed and relate that to the directory. But let's go ahead and configure a service from the start. So let's begin by clicking the Add button, and we can choose our type. Here's already selected as Active Directory, but you can also choose your local computer, a Windows domain, or Novell services. Right below that, we make sure it's enabled, and then we enter FQDN. But if we hit the drop down here, it's already going to enumerate for us based on our Windows account. Right below, we have our security context, and this you would like to use if you want to enter credentials in case you have any trust within your organization there. But we do not for this specific case. Then we have NetBIOS name. And we can also allow a query from an external domain, once again if you have trust. And then right below that we have the mount point. If you hit the button here, you can kind of see all your OUs, and you can configure from which you want the Active Directory services to mount from and where you want Workspace Manager to see. But we're just going to go ahead and include the whole tree. You can enable support for domain local groups, as well as if you have any groups within groups, you can enable for group nesting. We slide over here to Workspace Control. We want to make sure that's available for all workspace containers. And now that we have that set, let's go ahead and click Test Now. When we click Test Now, it's actually going to enumerate all your OUs, as we can see here. And if you hit search, you can see all of your accounts, as well as search for an individual user. Well, that does it. Thanks again for viewing. This has been Directory Services for Workspace Manager 2011.